CreativiTree is a deep learning tool that hallucinates new and never-seen images of trees and turns them into Minecraft objects using Malma. In order for CreativiTree to learn about trees, we used a TensorFlow implementation of a deep convolutional generative adversarial network, or DCGAN for short. DCGAN is a stabilized generative adversarial network that uses deep convolutional layers in its two networks, a generator and a discriminator. The generator is trained to fool the discriminator by creating realistic images, and the discriminator is trained not to be fooled by the generator. We began training our model using 3,000 32x32 colored tree images from the Ciphered 100 dataset and experimented with the number of epochs in order to improve our results. Although our results started looking better as we increased the number of epochs, we noticed that the improvements weren't significant. To evaluate our results, we used qualitative and quantitative assessments. We conducted testing with 2 participants to determine if our hallucinated tree images look like real trees. We showed the participants images of real trees first, and then 3 sets of hallucinated images built by 3 models, each trained using different parameters or different datasets. The results of the assessment showed that on average, the participants believed that 50% of the DCGAN trees were real, while believing 90% of the real trees were real. Based on our assessment, we concluded that other factors will need to be taken into account in order to further improve our results. It is also important to point out that generative adversarial networks have always had problems with convergence and, as a consequence, you don't really know when to stop training them. In other words, the loss function doesn't correlate with image quality.